Imagine waking up and seeing $650 in your account, but you didn't record a single video. You didn't edit anything. You didn't even speak on camera. Sounds impossible, right? But it's happening right now to people who understand this AI-powered YouTube system, and today I'm going to show you exactly how it works. Most people think making money on YouTube requires showing your face, filming videos, or spending hours editing. But that's not true anymore. AI has changed the game forever, and the ones who know this secret system are making money faster than ever. The problem? Most people get stuck before they even begin. They waste months trying to figure out video editing, scripts, thumbnails, SEO, only to burn out before they make a dime. But what if I told you there's a way to skip all of that and fast-track your success with a fully automated YouTube channel? A faceless channel that runs on AI, working for you 24/7, even while you sleep? This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. It's a real strategy used by people making $10K a month or more with faceless YouTube channels. And the crazy part? They don't touch a camera, record their voice, or edit a single frame. Step 1. Pick the right type of channel. Not all YouTube channels work for this strategy. Some require constant content creation, but the right ones? They run themselves with AI. Pick wisely, and you're already ahead. Step 2. Automate video creation. This is where most people fail, because they try to do everything manually. But with this AI system, you can automate everything: scripts, voiceovers, and even editing in just minutes. Step 3. Set it up once and let it run. Once it's set up, your videos start working for you. YouTube's algorithm pushes them out, and the income streams start stacking up. Ad revenue, affiliate sales, sponsorships, it all adds up fast. But here's the thing, most people will never get this right because they don't have a proven system to follow. They waste months guessing when they could be making money right now. That's why I'm giving you instant access to the exact system that makes this work. If you're serious about creating an AI-powered faceless YouTube channel that makes money on autopilot, then don't guess. Use the right system. Click the first link in the description and get started today. Because the difference between success and failure is simple. It's using the right system. Will you keep struggling? Or will you click below and finally start making money? Right now you have two choices. You can close this video and do nothing, or you can take action and start building a channel that works for you. Click the link now, because the faster you start, the faster you make money.